at the back side. Raise, fold it slowly. Give support at the back side your body hand and slowly straight up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, hold it. Slowly come down. Relax. Take one long breathe and breathe out. And slowly get up. Sit in Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Okay, now we'll move the dog posture, Marjariasana first stage. Okay. This is the dog posture. Breathe out. Your abdomen must come down. Okay. Your abdomen must come down like that. See, it's the bend. This bend has to be come down. The neck has to go up. Breathe out. See, you have to raise up. Breathe up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in 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 up. Breathe out, down. So the Marjariasana with tiger posture. Okay, raise your leg. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Touch your forehead to the knee. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. 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 Now the counter portion. Okay. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. 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 Okay. Sit in Vajrasana. Take a long breath and breathe out. And knee down. Ustrasana. The counter portion. With 1 feet gap. Raise your right hand. Slowly breathe in out. While breathing down, hold your feet at the back side. Raise your left hand in the same way and hold it. Ustrasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. 1, 2, 3. Take a long breath and breathe out the forwarding asanas. Sasangasana. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the final one. Ardha Srasasana. Link your fingers. Keep it on the ground. Keep your head down. Slowly raise your hip up. The body to be there straight. Okay, it has to be like. Bring your leg forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly sit in Vajrasan. Don't raise your head immediately. Take one long breath and breathe out. Now slowly rise. Now okay. Sit in Sukhasana. Now sit in Sukhasana. Now we'll do the pranayama. Okay. First Surya Vedan pranayama. Breathe in from the left nostril, right nostrils and breathe out with the right nostril itself. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. While breathing in, your abdomen must project front side. While breathing out, it has to go inside. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Now Chandravedan pranayama. Close your right nostrils from your thumb finger. Breathe in only from the left nostril and breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, 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 breathe out. Okay, now the Surya Chandra Vedan pranayama. Alternative breathing. Breathe in from the right nostril, close it, breathe out from the left nostril, again breathe in from the same nostril, close it, breathe in from the opposite nostrils. Breathe, breathe out, breathe, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in from the 4th count, breathe out from the 8th count, so that the breathe in, breathe out must be double than the breathe in. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, now the Kapalapati, forcibly we have to exhaling. Okay. Relax. Bring your concentration on the back side of your head. All the millions of neural cells will be get activated in your brain cells. Take normal breathe. Okay, second round, 10 times you have to do that. Relax. Take one long breathe and breathe out and bring your concentration on your back side of your head, that is your front lobe of your brain. So observe the blood circulation which is passing through your brain. Okay, now the third round. Relax. Okay, take one long breathe and breathe out. Now the Kapalapati with raising your hand. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. So the elbow must be touch here. Okay, like that. Okay. We have to do fastly. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Rise, relax. Okay, now the